Okay, this is a LeBlond Regal 24-inch lathe with a 5-inch through hole. Stock number 5073. It's a very nice machine with extended height actually. You could easily spin a 30-inch part on this machine. Controls, it's got a weld on option. So you could turn that on if you have to tack something on there without destroying the electronics. It's got the brake, it's operational, works good. Coolant pump also. It's got your spindle motor high and low, and then your spindle off. It's got a very good selection of gears. You can see it goes all the way from 6 to 900 RPM. That'll pretty much do just about anything you need to do on this machine. And we're going to go ahead and turn it on in the low range so you can hear it run. And I'm going to leave the brake off so you can see, watch it. Nice smooth operation, quiet. Carriage feed works good, everything works good. Cross slide works. Okay. And of course, we've got the compound up here, it works well too. Just let it wind down. That's with the brake off. Turn the brake on. Stops almost immediately. So if you're threading, tapping, good. Come around here. Got a really big spindle hole, which is very handy. Over 5-inch. Makes it a very versatile machine. And the ways are in very good condition. It's got the extended height. Makes it really nice to use. So it's a very versatile, good machine.